Over the last 10 years, I've been obsessed with helping traders make better decisions under pressure. Initially, the only trader I was working with was myself, and then it started to expand and grow into what it is today. This is what a decade has taught me. This is exactly what I wish someone had taught me on day one. Nobody's gonna come save you. Not a signal group, not a new mentor, not a new strategy or a new indicator, because the market isn't the problem. And no one outside of you is the solution. You are the strategy, you are the variable. And the moment that truly lands, everything changes. Take even one of these uncomfortable truths seriously, and it will transform your trading. The amount of times I've seen two traders trading the exact same setup, trading the exact same strategy with completely opposite results. The difference is never with the chart, it's with the trader trading that chart. It's about what's going on in that trader's mind. Because any trader can have the best strategy out there, the best technical knowledge, but if that trader doesn't have management of themselves under pressure, when there's a reward dangling in front of them and they don't know how to manage greed and fear in their mind, that trader isn't going to be able to consistently stick to that strategy. This is why once you have a trading strategy, once you have a mechanical trading plan, all your energy, if not more energy than what you've put into your trading strategy development, needs to go into the development of yourself, into the psychology, into managing and mastering your emotional state and the management of your emotions, as well as self-management day to day, managing your physiology and your psychology to ensure that you can come to the market in the optimal state to be able to stick to your processes long term. And irrespective of what the market gave you that day, a win or a loss, a lifting or a put down, you're able to self-regulate and self-manage so you can show up the next day sticking to your process. You are the strategy. The market is a mirror. The market doesn't beat you, it reveals certain parts of yourself back to you. Every tilt, every revenge pattern sequence is unresolved psychology resurfacing. Understand your triggers in the market. Do you get triggered after a certain amount of losses? Do you get triggered after wins? What is the market resurfacing within your own psyche? Understand and track back your triggers and understand why you're being triggered in certain moments. Understand the certain states you're in when you're trading, certain wanted and unwanted states, and why you tend to do certain patterns in the unwanted states versus the wanted states. When we point one finger at the market, blaming the market, we've got three pointing back at ourselves. The market isn't to blame. It's your teacher guiding you to what parts of your psychology are unresolved so that you have the opportunity to go in there and address those components. Your identity is your ceiling. When pressure hits in the market, you don't trade a strategy, you trade who you believe you are. And when pressure hits, traders don't rise to the level of their process or trading plan, they fall to the level of where they believe their worth and their level of identity. If you change your self-image and what you believe you're worth relative to the market and relative to the capital you're trading, everything changes. You see, if you minimize yourself relative to the amount of capital you trade, you're gonna put an enormous amount of pressure and stress and fear in your trading, and you're not gonna be able to manage that capital out of fear of losing it. What you want to do is you want to scale yourself down to a level that you're resonant with and that you feel that perfect balance of comfort and discomfort, a little bit of challenge, but not too much. And from that level, you want to focus on self-management, utilizing trainings and tools like my free Bulletproof Your Trading Mindset 3.0 at that level, and incrementally scaling yourself up from that level, and that incremental increase in capital every month or every 2 months with the proper psychological frameworks guiding you will allow you to scale the amount of capital you have because you're scaling your identity with it. Emotions are not the enemy. The best traders out there feel emotions. They feel fear and greed. They feel pain after losing. They feel elation after winning. The difference is they don't buy into and dramatize these emotional states, and they're not run by the emotional state. Rather, they use the emotion as the feedback, and they use the emotion to guide them in those moments. For example, if they're fearful trading capital, they recognize that the fear is just helping ensure they have enough certainty in a setup and are taking high quality enough setups to justify risking on that position. When a trader feels proud after they win, they recognize that they're overlooking certain things and they're exaggerating themselves. And the pride emotion is the very feedback that it's wise for them to humble themselves, otherwise they're about to get humbled by the market. When traders experience a painful loss every so often, the good traders welcome that because they recognize it's a little bit of a humbling force. It reminds them of the risk in the market, it reminds them of the importance of their trading processes and trading plan, and it moderates their behavior and it refocuses them to proper processes. And every time they take a win every so often, they become aware of the opportunity in the market. But again, they don't buy into that, and they recognize that these wins they're having here and now are taking care of previous losses in the past and are money in the bank for future losses. And these wins will eventually average out to give them their true return. So the top 1% of traders know how to use their emotions as feedback to guide them, as opposed to buying into the emotion and dramatizing it. And finally, boring wins. This whole idea of a trading journey being fun and exciting and this fantastical state that is marketed and sold to traders, these quick wins, these dopamine highs, isn't the reality of consistently profitable trading. Consistently profitable trading has both wins and losses. It has ups and downs. It has sitting on your hands for a long time. It has moments when you capitalize on opportunity. It has moments when you miss out on opportunity. The reality of the trading journey is two-sided, and there's a lot of patience. There's a lot of sitting on your hands. But the moment we compare a two-sided slow journey to this fantasy state of making a lot of money quickly in this all pleasurable state, we can't appreciate the two sides of the journey, because nothing compares to that fantasy state. So understand trading is boring. That fantasy of quick and easy wins isn't the reality of trading long term. And the boring, painful part of trading is there serving its purpose, and it's essential to keep the trader humble, to keep them grounded, to keep them focused. So recalibrate your mind to recognize that the marketing of trading and the ideas of trading that are sold aren't the reality. What you're going through right now is probably closer to the reality of trading than what you thought. Utilize the so-called negative side of the trading journey, the losses, the drawdown, the pains, the boring, the slow, and ask yourself, how is me experiencing each of these? How do they actually help propel me to consistent profitability? Don't see them as something in the way, see them as on the way, part of the perfect perfection of consistent profitability. When you do, the mindset shifts, and it allows you to appreciate the two-sidedness of the journey and to finally appreciate the boring parts of the journey. The meta lesson from this video from the last decade, it all points back to one thing. It was never out there. Nobody is coming because nobody needs to. You are what you're waiting for. Now traders, if you resonated with this video, I encourage you to go into the description or the first comment and download the Bulletproof 3.0 training that comes with my free AI-powered tool called TellerX. And that just helps ensure that you implement these 5 uncomfortable truths into your trading under pressure when you're trading, and this doesn't just become a YouTube video you watch once and never implement the lessons. So go into the description, the first comment, or even scan the QR code that's on your screen now, and go ahead, put your name and email in there and download that free training. And traders, before you click away, I want you to watch this video that's gonna pop up on your screen next.